In this video, I will guide you on how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. First, launch open the LinkedIn app. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here, look for the option of settings. Tap on it. Now, you're going to find a couple of options here. Select the one that says visibility. Now, you're going to find a bunch of options here. Scroll down. Here you have two options for blocking. The first one is blocked members and the second one is blocked pages. If you want to unblock someone who is a member on LinkedIn, then tap on the blocked members option. You're going to find the list of people that you have blocked on LinkedIn. To unblock them, simply tap on the unblock option. In order to unblock this person, you will have to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password. After you've entered it, tap on the unblock option. Now that person is going to be unblocked. In case you have blocked some pages and you want to unblock them, then you can tap on the blocked pages option. Then follow these same steps and unblock those pages as well. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.